Hello kids, good morning. So today we will do the page number 26 of Fun with Maths book. So the topic of this activity is seriation. So yesterday madam has told you what is seriation, and I will again show you some examples related seriation. So firstly I will clear what is seriation. You know that seriation means to arrange the things in particular order. It may be ascending or descending order. So but our small kids, we will take it in ascending orders. So today our topic is seriation. So before going to start book page, I will show you some examples that so through examples I will clear the concept. So students, I have 3 boxes and we will arrange these boxes in order. So which one is smallest? Yeah, this one is smallest. And which one is bigger than it? Look at which one is bigger than it. Yes, this one is bigger than it. So I will keep it here. And which one is biggest? So this box is biggest. So this is seriation. Small, bigger, biggest. So it's called seriation. I will take another example. So I have 3 these type of boxes. So which is bigger? Yeah, this is bigger and this is smallest. So firstly I will keep smallest here, and which one is bigger than it? So this one is bigger than it now. And which is biggest one? This is biggest one. Small, bigger, biggest. So you know the concept of small and big. So with the help of big and small concept, this concept will clear. Small, bigger and biggest. Okay. Now I will take another example. So I have 3 casseroles here. So 3 casseroles here. So which is smallest one? Which is smallest one? Kids, which is smallest one? Yeah, this is smallest one. And which is bigger than it? Yeah, this is bigger than it. And which one is biggest? This is biggest one. So with the help of these example, I think it's clear to you that what is seriation. So let's move towards our book. So open book page number 26. So this is smallest one, and which is bigger than it? This one. This one is bigger than it. So keep smallest one here, and which is bigger than it? This one. So we have to make an arrow like this, and this one is biggest. Now same in the case here. This is smallest one, and which is bigger than it? This one is bigger than it. So draw arrow, and this one is biggest one. So in this way we will complete our topic seriation. So parents, it's my request please give more and more things that are available in your home to your ward and ask them to arrange it in order. So it's my request. So by doing herself or himself, the concept will clear. So thank you. Bye bye.